Okay, good morning. Welcome to
SuperMath176.
SuperMath176. So we're just working through a section on some problems about. Actually, funny. This chapter is about cylinders and cones, but this problem happened to be about a cube. So it just says I have a cube here, and it wants you to find the angle ACH. So I didn't draw that in, but go ahead and draw in that angle.
So ACH. That angle.
That angle, yeah, ACH.
Well, the first thing I noticed, if I draw this other side in, is we have an equilateral triangle, since this is a cube.
Okay.
So all of these are the same length, and ACH. But the angle ACH it's the angle that it's the line directly. It's the line from line CH to line CA.
Yeah.
Okay. Because it looks to me like it could be 60 degrees. Because we have a triangle with all the lengths are the same length.
Okay. So what are those same lengths?
Well, didn't give us a side length, I'll just call the side 2.
Okay.
This is 2 root 2. Since it's the face diagonal of each side.
All right.
The triangle would look something like this. Oh, Yeah, it seems to work, this equilateral triangle.
Okay. You kind of still seem bothered by it, though. What's bothering you?
Well, I was noticing that these are on different sides, but the line goes underneath the sides. So, because this is, you could think of it as the base of a pyramid. So it's entirely flat. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, it sometimes is very difficult to see angles in 3 dimensions, especially because, like, when you have a different perspective of how you're looking at them, they appear even differently.
Yeah.
Right? So it's kind of hard to see. You have this line cutting these 2 angles on the face, 45 and 45, because it's the diagonal of a cube.
Yeah.
And you have this line down here cutting that angle on this face into 45 and 45. So you might say, well, I've got a 45 degree angle here, DCH, and I got a 45 degree angle here, DCA. So you might think that angle is
90.
90.
But I think it's because from a different perspective, it could look like these are all 90-degree angles.
It might look like that, yeah. But your observation is really nice. That angle, when I draw on this opposite diagonal down here, I get an equilateral triangle because I have all the face diagonals. And they definitely form a triangle. That, funny enough, is easy to see.
Yeah.
Because, well, any 3 points form a triangle.
Yeah.
Okay. And we see that all the sides are the same. And then once we have a triangle and we know all the sides are the same, then we know the angles are all
equal. 60 degrees equal.
They're all equal, and they're all 60 degrees. Okay, good job. Good work.